많이 컸어. 북한에도 이런 거 먹어?
my wonderful, wonderful people, and welcome back. So I am back home after my little stroll through Hongdae, and the first thing I had to do when I came back was I had to take a shower because it's so hot that I was like melting. But it's okay, I had a lot of fun. After my little exploration through Itaewon, I realized I did not take you to Hongdae yet. I myself have been there quite a few times because it's not that far from where I'm staying, and I love that part of Seoul to shop and walk around, to go shopping and to walk around. But I have not taken you yet. So, even though it's Sunday, I thought it would be a good idea to film Hongdae. Now, I thought, because it's Sunday and I left between 11 and 12 sometime, I think it was 12, it would be full. But most shops were not open at that time, and I think it was easier to film. So I walked around, I filmed a little bit, I tried to show you the different stores, even though some of them were still closed. And after I was done filming, I went around for myself and did a little bit of shopping. So it worked out perfectly. Hongdae is near the Hongdae University. That's why it's called Hongdae. That means university. And you can find a lot of younger people. As I told you in the Yeonnam-dong vlog, because Yeonnam-dong is it's the neighborhood right next to Hongdae, so it's similar. It's a similar crowd. But Yeonnam-dong was the place with all the cute cafes and all the cute restaurants, and Hongdae is the place with all the cute clothing stores, and you can find a lot of beauty stores, and you can find a whole bunch of the self-photo stores. So it's stores where you go in, you pay, and then you can take like selfies or pictures with your friend. It's like photo booth, but more advanced, because it's not like a photo booth like normally where you only have like one background and you do like your passport pictures, but it's way more fun. You can even like use different things to dress up, or it depends on which of all of these stores you use. So some are more cute, some are more like stylish, some even have the ability to like put an idol next to you, like an overlay. So yeah, that's a lot of fun. There are also quite a few cafes and restaurants to eat in, so you can, anything you need you will find in Hongdae. And I myself like to go there for just looking at the clothing stores. Yes, the clothes are a bit cheaper than when you go to one of the big malls and you find one of the bigger like designers, but I think Korean clothing is well made, so even if you pay less, it should last quite some time. Especially there's t-shirts where you would think, because they only cost you 10,000 or 15,000 won, they would be like very thin and get ruined very easily, but they're really, really good materials. So yeah, of course, the styles there are a mix between stylish and like something like everyday wear, which is more for me, but you will also find the things that the younger people will wear. So you will find a lot of clothes that are right now, it's like the Y2K that's in, which is still weird because That's what I was wearing when I was a teenager. So that's not really my kind of style. And you also find like special stores for if you're a bit more goth or more hip-hop than just Y2K, because I think Y2K is a good mix between street style, hip-hop and old school. So yeah, I wanted to show you around because I realized that I have not done that yet. So in this vlog you will see Hongdae, and I hope you enjoy it. And otherwise, we'll see what I will do in the next one. I still have some footage left from some museums I went to, but I never was able to film inside the museums, so I'm doing a bigger vlog with a bunch of different museums from the outside and when I go in, like kind of like that. So yeah, you can look forward to that, and I might be able to film in the next one, hopefully. And other than that, I don't think there's anything else. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm really happy being back indoors with my AC. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next vlog. Until then, stay healthy, and yeah, bye!